Good morning, kids. I'm Mohana Ravi, your computer teacher. Hope you all are well and fine at home, safe at home. Please be safe. Wear your mask if you're coming out because we are in pandemic situation. Pray God to come to normal solution, normal situation as soon as possible. Okay. Today we are going to learn the second lesson of our computer science. Second lesson of our computer science. Name of a lesson is uses of computer. Uses of computer. Okay. A computer is a useful machine. We use it to do many things. Okay, here we are going to discuss about the uses of computer. Okay, uses of computer and what are all the things can be done by using computer, what are all the things can be used by can be made by using computer. Okay, we use it to type letter. Okay, nowadays posting letters and all outdated. Okay, writing on a card, postal card, and writing cover letters and all outdated. Sending email only isn't trending now. Because a posting letter to reach the particular person to whom we are sending will take 2 or 3 days, but if you mail to a person, immediately the letter will go and reach him in a fraction of second. Okay, so sending letter, the right choice to be taken is email only in a computer. Okay, and we use it to listen music. Okay, we use it to listen music, whatever the movies or trending movies or new movies or nowadays even the videos also, whatever we are posting, you are watching your through your internet and through your computer only. These are all possible through computer only. Okay, so computer is used to type a letter, to send a letter, and to listen music. Okay, then we use it to play games. We use it to play games. Okay, any mode of games we can use it. Okay, any mode of a game we can play. Next, we use it to draw and color pictures. We use it to draw and color pictures. Even the engineers use computer nowadays to build big buildings. Okay, that much efficient the computer is in drawing. Okay, and we use it to watch movies. We use the computer to watch movies. We use it to chat with friend. Okay, we use it to chat with a friend, whomever, wherever he may. Okay, wherever he may. If you call them through your phone IST, it will charge you more. It will charge you more. It is high in costing. But whereas if you have internet, it won't cost. Only the net cost only will take. But in a moment you can talk by internet. By using internet, the world has shrunken. Wherever, with whomever you want to talk, you will be able to talk. That efficient the computer is. Okay, next, we use it to know more about something using the internet. We use it to know more about something using internet. Nowadays, what and all you want to learn, any information you want to know about the schooling, about the cooking, about gaming or singing, dancing, anything you want to search, you no need to ask anyone. You can just ask your computer. You can ask your internet. Immediately the answer would be shown in front of you. Okay, so internet is that, the computer is that much efficient, would be able to answer any of your question. Okay, now we use it to send and receive messages. Immediately we can share messages to anyone. Immediately we can share messages to anyone, wherever, to whomever they are. Okay, even for the other part of the globe, the opposite part of the globe also, you will be able to chat with them, and with that too with the video calling, and you can message them. What and all can be done, it all are possible with a computer. Okay, next. Now we saw so many uses of computers. We saw so many uses of computer. We will do a small revise. The computer is used to type letters. That we saw the modern and trending way of using computer for letter, for posting letters, and we use it to listen to music. Okay, we can listen any music, audio music, and we play games, any trendy games can be played. Okay, most of our entertainment now have become this video gaming only. Okay, most of children are using video games only in computer, though it is a phone also, they are using the same thing only. Then we use it to draw and color pictures. Even the engineers using these pictures and drawings and coloring made very easy and very funny too. It will be very interesting if you do so with a computer. Okay, then we use it to watch movies. We use it to watch movies. We use it to chat with a friend. We use it to chat with a friend. Okay, we use it to know more about something using the internet. We use it to know more about something using the computer. That means whatever the information we want to know, we can browse with the internet and we would be able to find the answer. Okay, anything you want to learn at free of cost, it is possible through internet. We use it to send and receive messages. Wherever, to whomever we want to send messages, you would be able to send messages. Okay, now in this slide we are going to see some activity. Okay, just to check your progress, how much you have understood. Okay, the activity is like this. Tick the activity that you can do on your computer. What and all we can done through a computer. Okay, can we walk through a computer? No, it is not possible. Can we play games? Yes, it is possible. So you should tick there. Okay, then can we swim with a computer? No, it is not at all possible. Then typing a letter? Yes, it is possible. So you should tick there. Typing a letter is possible. Can we draw pictures and color? Yes, it is possible. So we should tick there in the box. Okay, can we drink water with a computer? No, it is a machine. Okay, so it is not possible. Can we watch movies? Yes, we can watch movies with a computer. Okay, and can we listen to music? Can we listen to music? Yes, we can listen to music with a computer. Okay, now we saw some activity to check, just to check your progress, how much you have understood. Okay, now we will see some places where computers are used, where and all the computers are used. Okay, we will see those places, some of the places we will see. For example, computers are used in many places. At home it is used to it is used to send letters to our relatives, and to play video games, to watch movies and listen music, and to draw, to color and all. At home we use computer. Okay, the same way in the school we learn many things from computer. We learn many things from computer. Many teachers used to use computer to teach any new thing to us. Okay, and one more thing, in the lab it is used for higher kids. In the lab it is used, computer lab, we do write programs and all in the computer. And to store records of students, and to store records of a student whom any number of students we may have in a school, any thousands of kids we may have in a school, each and every kids, all detailed complete information can be kept with the computer, can be stored in the computer. That much efficient it is. Okay, next, shop. In the shop, it is obviously without using computer, it is highly impossible for a shops. It is highly impossible for a shop. If a customer buys thousands of products or hundreds of products at a time, to make a bill, okay, to make a bill, the computer is must be used, because in order to add a calculation manually by hand, it is highly impossible. Human makes mistake, but computer do not do any mistake at all. So it is recommended to use computer to make bills and to check the stocks. Okay, to check the stock every day, we can see how much the products have sold in each and every category and how much is left. That can be seen in the shop. Another place where the computers are used is railway station, where railway station it is used to book and cancel the tickets. Book and cancel the tickets, the computer would be used. And if you go to railway station and see the computer sections, okay, in the door itself, before entering, you would have seen paper stick on the wall of a train, on the wall of a train, the naming, showing the name, age and other government details like Aadhaar number and all. So these are all already pre-planned and pre-recorded, and it has taken a printout and it is sticked in the wall of railway in a train. Okay, so that much efficient is a computer. Next place the computer is used in airport, like how we saw in the airport it is used to cancel and book a ticket. The same way in airport also it can be used to cancel and book a ticket. It can be used to cancel and book a ticket, and the same way to maintain the timetable of the plane. Okay, flying plane, to what time it has to start and what time the planes will come back to the airport. These records, to maintain these records, the computer is used. The other important place where computer is used is hospital. Of course, in hospital, to diagnose itself, the computers are used to diagnose a patient. Okay, the patient now heartbeats and the all everything, inner organs activities can be checked through computer. Okay, like scanning and BP checker, ECG machine, all sort of a kind of a computer only. Okay, and common generally they used to store data of a patient, to store the personal details and age, name and address and what and all has to be stored in order to maintain a record. That also can be done in hospital. But apart from general work, to diagnose, it helps to doctor to diagnose the patient very efficiently. So in hospital it is used in this way. Okay kids, now we have saw many uses of a computer, where and all it is used, those particular places we saw. Now I would like to give a small recap. Give a small recap. places where computers are used. Computers are used in many places. In home, it is used to listen music and watch movies and to do drawings and to color pictures and for many things it is used. Okay, and at school we learn through computer and we do lab activity through computer. Okay, in school this is the way it is being used, and in shop for making bills and to maintain the stock record. For these reasons the computer is used in the shop. And in railway station and airport, in both the places, railway station and airport, both the places, it is used in the same way to book and cancel the tickets and to maintain the timetable of the traveling. Okay, and in hospital it is used for mainly for diagnosing and for common purpose to storing the records data of a patient. So we saw we learn many things about the computer in this lesson, kids. Whatever I taught you in next class, the question and answer exercises, everything I will teach you. The book exercises we will do in the next class. Okay, kids, till then I'll take leave. Bye.